Welcome back to the channel, everybody. This is Bryan with About Web Design here with another Squarespace tutorial for you today. We're going to be talking about the mobile menu background color and changing it and how you go about doing that. I've seen videos on this and some of them are not very old, but the way that you go about doing this has changed. And so this is a video for 2025 on how you update your mobile menu background color. So let's head on over to the screen and I'll show you step by step how we're going to do it. Okay, so at one point, not too long ago, I used to be able to just go in and hit edit and then hit edit site header and edit design. And then you had options for like the global design, the mobile design, or the desktop design. That's gone now. And so what you have to do is go ahead and go into, you can do this while we're in edit mode here, but go ahead and go into the mobile view and then you click view menu and you see the menu pop up here. And then now you're going to click edit design and then edit color or click on the color there. And you get these presets here according to the color palette that you've chosen for your website and your site styles. And so let's go with, oh, I don't know. Let's go with dark 2 here. Okay. And then you can see if we wanted to edit that even more, we could go into site styles and we're going to go to colors and you can see here it's dark 2. All right. And so you're going to want to go down to click on dark 2. The pencil pops up there to show you that you can edit it. And then you're going to scroll down until you get to, I believe it's mobile overlay. Menu overlay is what it is. Okay, so you got menu overlay there, and you can see the background is black. The link colors are orange. The button background, we don't have a button on this one, but if there was, then the button background would be orange and the button text would be white. Okay, and so we can actually click on these colors and we can go to, now this is not match anything about this website, but just to show you how you can do it. Like you could choose any of these preset colors here, or you could go into custom and you can see like you could choose this aqua color. And then we could go to the link colors and we can again go custom and we could choose, oh, let's see here. Let's go with like a purple of some sort. All right. And then save and then exit. And then now while in mobile view, click the hamburger and you see the mobile menu pop up and you got those colors. So that's all there is to it. If you found this helpful, please leave a like and subscribe for more Squarespace tutorials like this one. And if you'd like me to build your Squarespace website for you, you can find my contact information in the description below.